So what are we now? This is the scenario. You are going to meet. You are going to meet the client, and you have to do the audit. Okay, this is Tutsi. This is the website now. The the thing about this is that some people, when they are referring to this product, they call, some people will call it aligners, some people will call it braces, some people will call it invisible braces, because this is a uh, these are the newer kind of braces which are not visible, right, to people, right? They're not very visible, so that is why there are people, especially the younger people, prefer these kind of braces. Now there is a so what you this is a tool called Uber Suggest. So first of all, one of the first things that you do is is to check the ranking, current ranking, okay, of the website. So this you unless you have access to the analytics of the website, you won't be able to do this. So hence there are these third party tools. So this is Uber Suggest is one of them. This is free. You can sign into it, and once you sign in, it allows you, in the free plan, it allows you one project, right? So if you add this website, it should give you most of the rankings, basically, which are the current, on which words is it currently ranking, right? So I'm just filling in this. Oh, uh, you've reached a location limit. Okay, let me try something else because it's weird. I've not used it only. Okay, so which location? Okay, okay. So it is showing me the words that I'm currently ranking for. Okay, okay. So one of the main words here is which is the one, teeth aligners. Okay, so one of the main words here is teeth aligners. Okay, now this has a good volume, and it is also, so it is ranking. So you can find out the see this tool allows you to track one website for free in the project, right? So you can just add all these words. Okay, let's just quickly add all these. No, this is tracking by itself. It's tracking by itself. No, no, no. These are it is telling you that you are currently ranking for these words. Hmm. So okay, so you in this see, there the thing is that there are very few. tools which are free and good and give you the status with respect to current ranking. Okay, so this is one of the tools that I that we would suggest, Uber suggests. So in the free plan, you get to do one project. So at least, if you're going to meet, if to see your client and you're about to meet them, you can you will get to know in a very quick way what are the current rankings. So if you click on it, you'll get to see the that okay, it is ranking third for transparent braces. uh, then you can see retainer for teeth aligners. Okay, so you can quickly know that okay, so teeth aligners, that this is one of the main words, is already on the top. Okay, then teeth retainer is actually it has a good volume, but it is 30-second. Okay, so this gives you a hint that the word retainer is not there perhaps in the tags. That is why it is uh, perhaps it is not ranking. Uh, what else? Yeah, another observation is for anything related to cost and price, it is not coming on the top. The position goes to second, third. Okay. Aligners, teeth, again, this is good. These are very good positions. Aligners, it's like second position. Okay, so when this is one of the first things that okay, you know that retainers, one of the main core words, it is not ranking. Then anything to do with cost price, it is not ranking. Okay, not ranking, but it's not on the first page. Okay, now knowing this, you can also use. Uh, there are two options. Either you can use Mozbar, or there is an extension called as SEO Scout. Okay, so it is already there on my Chrome. So if I use it, it will tell me, it will give me some indication of the current tags. Okay, so out of these, you should go to this on-page analysis, and there you will get to see okay, this is the page title. Okay, teeth aligners online. So it's using aligners, it's using braces, and then this is the meta description. So that is one thing that you have to check, and URL. Okay, and in headings, so you can see what is there in H1. So H1, you can see is what's a great smile, which is this. Okay, now ideally there should be some keyword in it, but the thing is, one of the homepage itself is the offering page. So you can't ask the client to put any keywords in this part and all that. It will look odd. Okay, so you'll have to kind of live with it. You can't ask the client to put keywords here in the headings. Okay, because this is kind of the homepage. If this was some like offering page where it's only about teeth aligners, and so then perhaps you could have. So here I don't see any scope of telling the client to this thing. But let's look at the keywords. Okay, now basically it is telling you that okay, what keywords are used. Okay, so yeah, again, you are not seeing any specific keywords here. Okay, so you can, in fact, tell the client to increase the keyword density of teeth aligners in the content in some way, manner. So let's see if you do teeth uh, aligners, it's not there at all. Okay, uh, teeth bases is not there at all. Okay, just aligners perhaps is there, but that's not enough. Okay, so teeth aligners, you can tell the client to increase the keyword density of that word here. Okay, so when you're doing when you're doing the audit. Okay, one is that yes, you check the current ranking, then you check the tags. Okay, now when you're checking the tags here, the tags seem fine. Okay, the only thing you can say is that the we are not ranking for these keywords, so perhaps you could include these in the tags. Okay, on you have to check if the tags these are included in any of the internal pages also. Okay, you can check that, for example, this one. Okay, so here it is mentioned. Okay, invisible braces cost, teeth alignment cost, online. Okay, so if cost and price, this page is has taken care of the tags, but it is not ranking. Okay, it is ranking. The ranking is not on the first page, the second page, third page, right? So uh, so these are things which you have to mention to the client